how to download and install AliExpress app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. The AliExpress app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. And in the search bar, you have to tap and search for AliExpress. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the app, so you have to simply tap on install option in the right hand side. It will take a few minutes to download it on your device depending upon your internet connection. After installing the app, you can create an account in AliExpress, and from over here you can shop from all over the world. You can get the various offers and items in affordable price. You can also get various discounts from coupons and codes. Shopping can be very trustable because if the items are not as your described item, then you can get the full refund also. And after a few minutes, you can see the app has been installed on my device. So by following this simple step, you can download and install AliExpress app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.